Jacob Hess here from NextGen, and I'm here with Arun from NetApp, and we're looking at the FlexPod. Arun, do you mind giving us a quick breakdown of what the FlexPod is and what it does, and then also maybe a quick rundown of each appliance in here?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Jacob. So I come from NetApp. Let's start with the NetApp box first. This is the NetApp All-Flash FAS. This is the storage operating system from NetApp, which has All-Flash FAS. So it's the fastest and this most performance sensitive with latency being the lowest in this one. So that's what this box is. So it stores all your data. Now what it does is this is connected to a Cisco Nexus switch, which is a top of rack switch. That switch sends all the data back to the core network. Now I'll move to the Cisco's compute systems.
And real quick, Arun, the reason why these have just blank slates here is because actually the gear is in the back, right? We're going to flip over to the back in a second and look at the actual gear, but these are just kind of placeholders, right?
Absolutely. This is just the labels in the front so that we can see which boxes are there, but they are all at the back. Now over here, you'll see the Cisco UCS blade server. This is the chassis. It's got slots for 8 blade servers, half width, and they have Intel CPUs, the latest CPUs coming from Intel. And on top of this, here we have the Cisco UCS 480 ml server. This is a server with NVIDIA GPUs in it. And what it has got is, it allows us to do image processing and analytics on the server itself.
So for those who may not be familiar with AI and ML, this is what?
Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then we club it with data lakes for deep learning. Then you need high-end storage to process all the data. So this system is great for analytics, machine learning, deep learning, data lakes, all of that.
It's a super data cruncher, in other words.
Correct. Absolutely. Thank you. I like that word.
Arun, you want to flip over to the back now?
Yes. So all of this compute is connected with the fabric interconnect of Cisco. This switch connects all of that. So it's one whole integrated system that is tested and pre-validated in the Cisco and NetApp labs. Now let's go to the back.
All right.
So what we saw, let's go from the back. This was the UCS. So you just see 2 wires coming out from the 8 servers. They're not a hell of a lot of wires because everything is within the chassis. And then those 2 wires go all the way up to the fabric interconnect. The fabric interconnect then brings all of the compute together. Similarly, from the 480 ml here, you'll see wires, only 2 from that side. They go up the rack into this fabric interconnect. The fabric interconnect then sends it to the switch. Similarly, the NetApp storage from here sends it to the switch. So now you have a very clean integrated design with minimal cabling and with minimal setup that is needed. Once you wire up this and you set it up, then you can just replicate this for the whole data center and multiple racks, both in a hardware fashion, it's wired once, apply multiple times, and a software fashion, everything is software defined in UCS service profiles, NetApp ONTAP Unified Manager, and just seamlessly scales for large data centers.
And so, Arun, if someone is like deploying a data center, for example, they don't need to go buy each one of these pieces of equipment individually and configure it and maintain it all themselves. That's the whole purpose of the FlexPod, right? Like it comes as one pre-built unit, and you guys support and service the unit as well. So you just order a FlexPod, it arrives at your data center, boom, there it is, right?
Absolutely. So what will happen is our partners, we are a partner-led, channel-led company where the channel helps sell this for us. They will then put all of this code together for you so that it's seamless for the customer. And when a customer has a support, then they come to us, and then if we have NVIDIA GPUs in the backend, then Cisco will just go back to NVIDIA and get the support for it. So the customer gets one-stop support through this whole FlexPod system.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much, Arun. That was a wonderful breakdown of the FlexPod from NetApp. And this is actually multiple companies working together to make this thing happen, right? You got Cisco, you got NetApp. Is that it in here? Cisco and NetApp only?
NVIDIA over there.
Oh, NVIDIA, yeah, right.
When we put in,
For the video cards.
we have virtualization stacks from either VMware or from Microsoft.
Okay.
And then on top of it, we run applications like Oracle, SQL, SAP. So the most critical applications which customers run in their data center are run on this, and we show how it's all done.
All right. Excellent, Arun. That's amazing. Thank you again so much for the breakdown.
Thank you
And
very
enjoy the rest of live.
Jacob Hess here. Thank you guys for viewing the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And I'd also like to remind you that if you're truly serious about your career in information technology, be sure to check out our Career Blueprint and Engineer Training Program at www.zerotoengineer.com.